Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best propane smokers for the money in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart COS 244 Vertical 2-Door Propane Smoker. This Cuisinart COS 244 is one of the best options that offer to make your food taste good. This unit comes with dual doors that help in easy access and maintain the heat. You can attach it to any standard propane tank so that you can start using it faster. It has a 40-inch hose for easy hookup. With its temperature controller, you can increase or decrease the level and temperature of smoke as per your requirements. So, it ensures the right level of heat to your food. It has a thermometer at the door to monitor the heat inside. It is easy to operate. Once you close the door properly, the inner chamber remains fully sealed for optimal smoking. Number 2. Our second best pick is Char-Broil, the Big Easy TRU-Infrared Smoker. This vertical LP gas smoker and grill allows you to use one easy product. It features TRU-Infrared cooking technology, so the flare potential is minimal, and you will be able to cook the food with equally tender and juicy results. The internal cooking basket with it fits 21 pounds of turkey, and the 180 square grill offers plenty of great sticks, burgers, chicken, or sides. Besides, its 1200-inch 2 smoking and roasting basket will accommodate large cuts of meat that fits up to 21 pounds of turkey. With the TRU-Infrared cooking system, you'll get a great taste, oil-less fried turkey, crispy on the outside, tender, and juicy on the inside. Its worthy grill is ideal for grilling your favorite foods such as burgers, chops, steak, chicken, and veggies. Furthermore, it is more portable and quite easy to use. Connect to a standard liquid propane tank, turn one knob, and the other knob to light the unit. The unit features a removable grease bowl for easy disposal and dirt-free cleaning to keep it off the ground and added stability. A side-mounted smoker box is accessed from outside the unit, allowing you to add wood chips without opening the lid. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dyna-Glo G784 BDP 36-inch Vertical Gas Smoker. If you are looking for a smoker with a larger cooking area, so, the Dyna-Glo G784 BDP is the right choice for you. It has 4 adjustable cooking racks, 784 square inches of cooking space, and a 25 pounds capacity per shelf. This large LP smoker includes a double door design, an attractive thermometer, lightning quick electronic ignition, and sliding air dampers. In addition to great features, G784 BDP has undergone strict, high-quality product testing as it has successfully received its CSR certification. This is the brilliant smoker, the perfect solution for long-term backyard cooking. Moreover, it all starts with a push switch, ignition that emits a quick pulse for fast and easy lighting. Its 15,000 BTUs cast iron burner maintains a constant temperature for reliable cooking performance in hot and cold weather. With heavy gauge, porcelain enameled big capacity water and wood chip tray, you will be able to cook for several hours with maintenance-free cooking. The temperature gauge has a smoke zone that indicates the ideal temperature for the taste of smoke. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Masterbuilt MPS 230S Propane Smoker. The propane smoker cabinets come in different shapes and sizes. You can find right according to your needs and essential factors. It has 4 chrome-plated grates that can be removed and adjusted easily. The door has a highly accurate temperature gauge that helps you idealize the heat for what you are smoking. This Masterbuilt 230S propane smoker can easily handle everything you throw at it. It can take up to 8 chicken, 4 racks of pork spare ribs, 2 turkeys, or 4 Boston butt pork shoulders. Moreover, its weight is around 56 pounds, which means you can move it easily. You can use this portable smoker for get-together and tailgate parties. The total cooking surface area is 734 square inches. A patented porcelain-coated flame disc bowl is designed to protect the stainless steel burner from excess dripping. Also, it helps to hold a generous portion of smoking woods. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Pit Boss 77435 Vertical Liquid Propane Gas Smoker. This 77435 Vertical Propane Smoker is one of the most selling gas smokers. It comes with a dual valve burner feature, a 3500 BTUs burner dedicated to wood chips. Moreover, a 10,000 BTUs burner has been provided for the cabinet temperature. The both valves are controlled by a single gas control knob and allow you for heat control of 100 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Its push piezo ignition feature makes for a quick burn. This propane smoker has a 3 series smoker, and 4 cooking racks provide 676 square inches of smoking space. It provides a large glass viewing window that is fully sealed with a high temp door seal. It will work excellent to take your background or camping smoking experience to the next level. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.